Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. This week we get to look at a beautiful luxury king walkout room in the French Village at Beaches Resort in Turks and Caicos. It's a gorgeous room with all sorts of wonderful amenities, and you can walk right out onto your own porch, and it's just a gorgeous resort on the beautiful Turks and Caicos Islands. So when you're ready to book your next all-inclusive resort, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks. Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just arrived at our garden view room in the French village of Beaches in Turks and Caicos. So let's take a look. It's a beautiful room. Beaches are all-inclusive resorts. They're a sister company of Sandals, and they welcome families. So it's a beautiful resort. It's very large. We're told it's the largest in Turks and Caicos Providenciales, which is the island we're on. Got a beautiful king-size bed and a nice ceiling fan with variable speed controls and lovely artwork on the wall, like seashells and coral, and beautiful night tables and more artwork on the walls above the bed. And the bed's not really lofted, but I guess you could put luggage under there too. Have lovely towel art, a swan there on the bed to greet us. Nice big flat screen TV and a nice big dresser. So plenty of room to store your luggage or your belongings. There's an adjoining door, so if you had friends or family that you were traveling with, you could get adjoining rooms and have the rooms connect. Lovely light and a comfy chair and a little coffee table and more beautiful artwork based on the French theme, of course. We have a microwave, which is very nice, and a coffee and tea service, which is also very nice, and a little mini fridge. And it's fully stocked, which is great. And like I said, Beaches resorts are all-inclusive, so it includes all your entertainment, your meals, your beverages, everything. It's very nice. You have this lovely day bed, or third bed, so if you have someone else in your room. And let's see, does this pull out? No. Nope, it doesn't. So a lovely day bed for a third person, or just a place to relax and get comfortable. Another night table with your phone and your lights and so on. And have a beautiful deck out here with a view of the pool and the grounds. If I can get the door open. So here's our little patio. Like I said, the garden view room. A beautiful view of the grounds, and the grounds are gorgeous, beautifully landscaped and maintained. And there's Jackie.
Hi everyone. This is a gorgeous place. You and your family would just have a wonderful place to visit.
So, a beautiful day here in Turks and Caicos. That's one of the pools right over there. So going back inside. And air conditioning, of course, and free Wi-Fi. So we have a nice single vanity with a backlit mirror right outside the restroom or toilet. So you can use the sink while someone else is using the bathroom. There's the closet, which is nice. It lights up when you open the door. We have extra bedding, plenty of hangers, blow dryer, iron and ironing board, luggage rack, and a safe for your valuables, which is very nice. And here's the bathroom. So there's the facilities. There's another vanity, so we have two vanities. Another backlit mirror and a makeup mirror there on the wall. And over here you have a nice big soaking tub with a shower as well. So just a beautiful bathroom, two vanities, and a nice soaking tub. So just a gorgeous room. Oh, and you have a full-length mirror here on the wall as well. So just a gorgeous room. We're thrilled to be here. When you're ready to book your next beaches or sandals vacation, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.